welcome back to Adie's little shed shop. Today I'm going to make myself a door knocker for the shed shop because Mrs. Shedshop stands outside the door, and when she knocks, sometimes it's not very loud and I can't hear her. I saw a design, I think it was done by Steve Good. Kind of going to look like this. So this is hammer, and it's going to have a pull that's going to go from here to about here and then down, and that should work by pulling on the rope down here. It should pull this forward, and you've got a pivot point here that goes all the way through. I hope. Just draw around it, right? Not fully draw around it, but draw-ish around it. Draw-ish around it. You're an idiot. Like the idea of it being a claw hammer on the door. Doesn't have to be neat. But there is one really shoddy hammer. Let's tidy it up a bit. Something like that. That's the length of our hammer. Cut that out with a scroll saw. I've got to make some D's. Now when I come to cutting 12mm hole, I think I'll just stack them, mark a spot and try and hit them. Perfect. Probably ain't going to work, is it? No. Plus I've got to put a 12mm hole in this. Might be easier to do them all together. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that might work. Get this cut out. Pegas, number 3, modified geometry, reverse tooths. Yeah, this is quite thick. I mean, it's 1 inch thick. It's not bloody flat for some reason. Maybe I should just have better selection. Yeah, okay. Let's see how this cuts. And there we have a hammer. Yeah, it's got quite a close grain for a quite a close grain for a bit of pine. Yeah, I think it's pine. So I think it's going to be quite hard there. It'd be perfect for. Don't do that, idiot. Okay. Well, I suppose that's it. That's our 3 parts. Those either side. Now it's got to drill a 12mm hole, and it's gonna. Drill 12mm hole, and it's not going to go like that, is it? I'm an idiot. It's going to go like that. So now we've just got to drill a 12mm hole through these 3, then stick in a 12mm dowel. Excellent. I'll work that out and see you in a moment. Okay, right. This isn't exactly flat, so just going to sand it down. Sand each piece. I have dust mask on. Mac is plugged in to hoover up. It's going to get noisy. Okay, right, so you might have noticed while I was cutting, I was kind of colouring outside the lines. Don't worry, it happens. In the world scroll sawing, yeah, I mean, I drew it. So it's not something that needs to be 100% perfect, as long as this next bit is perfect. Masking tape, pop that on there. Just like that. Put them in here. Stupid glue on there. Bosh. Drill a hole. Perfect. As long as they're in line with each other, that's all that matters. We all know how this works, right? You just now pull it apart. There we go. They're going on here like that, and this is going to go between them like that. Some 12mm dowel. Pop that through there. Pop that through there. Brilliant. Okay, so I suppose I've got 2 choices. I can either glue it in here on the ends, sand the centre so it's got a slight bit more movement, or glue it to the centre and poke it in the holes in the ends. Oh, I don't know on that one. Choices. This is good. Yeah, there you go. So I'll glue it to this, because if this ever gets damaged, this can then be taken out by unscrewing these from the back. CA UK ultra thin. I mean, it runs like water, this stuff. I think I might stick it in here, stabilise this wood a little bit. It is pine after all. Pine's quite soft. Ugh. Ugh. Ah, no, ah, shit, ah. Wear gloves. Idiot. Yeah, what a dickhead. Okay, that's now in there, and I'm super glued because I'm an idiot. This stuff creeps in. It's, you know, so liquidy. What I should have done is pop that in there first and then poked it in like that, and it just would have creeped in, found the gaps, stabilised it all. Oh crap. Sticking to the floor now. So I'm going to sand these ends so they're not quite a perfect fit. They need to be a tiny bit thinner than the holes they're going in. You know, so there's movement, obviously. You get the idea. Okay, I was just sanding and I didn't have the camera on. You know, you don't need to see someone sanding away in my hand. And I had one of my old shakes come along. It was a big one. Dropped it, hit the floor, and managed to break the bloody back bit, the claw. Oh, it was a perfect break though. Perfectly straight, which is quite strange because it wasn't along the grain, it was across the grain. Cannot believe that. I'm gonna have to try and fix this now. That's fixed. Don't know how well you can tell that's fixed, but it's fixed. And I thought, all right, here's an idea. If I use this ultra thin, which has been sticking my bloody fingers together, I think actually it might not be a bad idea to do the face of this because it's going to be hammering a lot, right? Every time I open this bottle, I've managed to stick myself to something. So I think what I might do is either one, wear gloves. I'm not going to wear gloves. I should wear gloves. I'll hold fingers apart and just drip this onto the face. This should soak straight in. But that is a now very hard head. It does smell bad. I should have my face mask on. Woodworkers use cyanoacrylate. CA. Woodworkers use CA all the time. It gives a very hard, durable coat and finish. Do not get stuck to the bloody wooden hammer, you idiot. Like that. Alright, holes drilled. Poke them through. I think that's it. Need to put an eye hook in there. Stainless steel, so it ain't gonna rust. So it's gonna be those shiny ones. Need two. I need to drill a hole for these. That in place. All right, we need another one just above it, which will be this one. We're gonna pop that about here. I think that's just above it. All right, there. That should be. See where we're going with this? Maybe. You would normally just tie a knot, yeah, through there. And this goes through here. Ah, stop it. This goes through here. And then down through there. Then you have a door knocker, yeah? And you're gonna want it to stop it probably about there. So I'm gonna have to put a knot or something in this piece of string. Simple knot, right? There we go. I still think that knot needs to be further up. You know, maybe about there. Then again, you always got a handle. You know, there's a couple of ways to do it, right? Exactly. Well, there you have it. One door knocker. Love this thing. The reason I didn't glue these two pieces is purely because I think it could kind of be interchangeable. This is obviously a hammer. What if you change the shape to maybe an upside down guitar? I think it was definitely a good idea, stabilising the end of the hammer with the CA, even though I got covered and stuck to quite a lot of things. One day I'll learn to remember just to put gloves on, maybe. But right now it is extraordinarily cold and I need to go in. Thank you for watching Easy Little Shed Shop. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button and check out some of my other videos. Thank you for watching.